it's Gina with WTI. If you're someone who needs to refresh curls, cuts hair, wants to spray plants, or anything else with water, then you've got to check out this really awesome plastic water bottle from Hula Home. This is a continuous mist bottle, and one of the most amazing things about it is that it can spray when it's upside down. This has been perfect when I want to do a refresh on my wavy hair in the morning. It already has product in it from the day before, so I just spritz it down with this mist, and it has been so nice, so easy to use. It doesn't fatigue your hand out to be pumping so much like with a regular spray bottle, but this nice lever and continuous mist makes it really easy. It's also been great when I need to cut my husband's hair. Before this, I was dipping a comb into a glass of hot water. Now I just fill the bottle with warm water and spritz it all over his head. This has been life-changing. I love it, and that's my point of view.